Hello students, welcome to another video of MathSub. The topic which I am going to discuss today is problem based on elimination method. So let's see the problem. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes half if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? So in this case, we will suppose let the fraction be x over y. As it says, we are adding 1 to the numerator, that means x plus 1, and subtracting 1 from the denominator, that means y minus 1. A fraction reduces to 1, that means 1 over 1. What we will do, we will cross multiply it. So x minus y is equals to minus 1, plus 1 will go to another side, it will become minus 1. So x minus y is equals to minus 2 is our first equation. Then the question says, it becomes half if we only add 1 to the denominator. That means, again we will take the fraction x over y and we are adding only 1 to the denominator. Okay, then fraction reduces to half. We will cross multiply it again. 2 will get multiplied with x and y plus is equals to y plus 1. Y will come to one side. So this is our second equation. X minus y is equals to minus 2 is our first equation. 2x minus y is equals to 1 is our second equation. We will solve by elimination method. So I am writing the equation once again. I already made you understand that we have to equate either the coefficient of x or coefficient of y. So in this case, I'll equate the coefficient of x. So what I'll do, second equation में हमारा x का coefficient क्या है? 2 है. I'll multiply it with 2 to the first equation. And पहले equation में कुछ भी coefficient नहीं है, that means 1 है. Second equation से मैं 1 से multiply कर दूंगी. Then I'll multiply 2 to all the equation and 1 to all the equation. So it becomes 2x minus of 2y is equals to minus 4. 2x minus y is equals to 1. Second equation will remain the same. Okay. Now, I will change the sign. Positive will change to negative. Negative will change to positive. And this is again positive. Positive will change to negative. Cancel out. Okay. So, minus plus minus. So, 2y minus of y is minus y. Minus 4 minus 1, it will become minus 5. So, I am getting y is equals to 5. Hope this is clear to you. So, what I will do, I will just substitute the value of y in either equation 1 or 2. So, substituting the value in equation 1. Instead of y, I will write 5. So, x minus y is equals to minus 2. X minus of 5 is equals to minus 2. X is equals to minus 2 plus of 5. Minus 5 will go to another side. It will become plus 5. So, I am getting x as 3. So, when x is 3, our fraction becomes x over y, that means x is 3 and y is 5. Hope this question is clear to you. Let's see the another question. Second question says, 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Noori and Sonu? So, let's take the age of Noori as x. Let's take the age of Sonu as y. Okay, it says 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. So what do you have to do? I'll just write the equation x is equals to y. 5 years ago, that means 5 years back. So what I'll do, I'll just subtract minus 5 to both the variables. Noori, this is Noori, was thrice as old as Sonu. That means this is Sonu, thrice old. I'll multiply it with 3. So our first equation becomes x minus 5 is equals to 3y minus of 15. What I'll do, I'll just take 3y to this side and 5 to another side. So minus 5 will become positive 5. So minus 15 plus of 5. X minus 3y is equals to minus 10 as my first equation. Hope this is clear to you. Let's take another question. Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. 10 years later. That means again I write the equation x is equals to y. 10 years later means 10 years after. So what I'll do, I'll just add 10 to both the side, and Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. I'll just multiply with Sonu 2. So my equation becomes x plus 10 is equals to 2y plus of 20. X minus 2y, 10, I'll bring it to another side. 20 minus of 10 will be 10. This is my second equation. Hope this is clear to you. Now I will solve. X minus 3y is equals to minus 10. X minus 2y is equals to 10. Okay. So see, both the coefficient of x in these two equations are 1 and 1. So I'll just change the sign. Positive will become negative. Negative will become positive. Positive will become negative. So minus plus minus. It will become minus y is equals to minus 20. So I'm getting y as 20. Y is 20 years. That means Sonu is 20 years. Now I will substitute the value of y in equation 1. So x minus of 3y is equals to minus 10. X, instead of y, I will write 20. So x is equals to x minus 60 is equals to minus 10. X is equals to minus 10 plus of 60. That is x is equals to 50 years. X is 50 years. That means Noori's age is 50 years. Hope this question is clear to you. Let's take another question. The question says the sum of the digit of two-digit number is 9. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. So in this case, let the digit at tens place be x. Let the digit at ones place be y. Okay. So it says sum of the digit of the two-digit number. That means x plus y is 9. This is our first equation. Hope this is clear to you. Also it says 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. That means number is made of the equation 10x plus y. I mean two-digit number is made of the equation 10x plus y. I am making you understand how. If suppose you take x as 1, y as 0, you are getting first two-digit number as 10. If you take x as 1, y as 1, you are getting second two-digit number, that is 11. In this way, you will get 12. Okay, so this is you can say the equation to find two-digit number. So it says 9 times this number. That means 9 multiplied by 10x plus of y is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digit. That means twice the number, and I have to reverse the order of the digit. If I say I have to reverse the order of the digit, that means what? 10, instead of x it will come y, and instead of y it will become x. Okay, so 10y plus of x. This will be our second equation. So what I do, I'll just multiply 9 with 10x. 90x plus 9y is equals to 20y plus of 2x. I'll take 2x to one side and 9y to another side. So it becomes 88x is equals to 11y. Okay, so 88x, 11y I'll take to one side. Minus of 11y is equals to 0. This will be our second equation. And also I'm seeing that 88 and 11, they both come in the table of 11, right? So I'll just take the common out. So I'm taking 11 as common. So it becomes 8x minus of y is equals to 0. I'll mark this equation as 2. Okay, and 11, it will get divided with 0. So it will become 0 only. So I'm getting the two equation as x plus y is equals to 9 and 8x minus of y is equals to 0. Okay, so I'll just equate it. 8 will get multiplied with the first equation. 1 will get multiplied with the second equation. So I'm getting as the answer 8x plus of 8y is equals to 72. Second equation will remain the same, right? 8x minus of y is equals to 0. Change the sign, positive will become negative, negative will become positive. So 8y plus of y, it will become 9y is equals to 72. I'm getting y as 72 over 9, that means 8. Okay. So when I got y as 8, I'll just substitute in equation 1. So from equation 1, x plus y is equals to 9. Instead of y, I'll put 8 and I solve. Plus 8 will come to another side. So x is equals to 1. Okay. So it says find the number. So number is what? What's the equation? 10x plus of y. So instead of x, I'll put 1. Instead of y, I will put 8. So our number becomes 18. Hope this question is clear to you. Let's take another question. Question number 4 says, Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her 50 rupees and 100 rupees notes. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of rupees 500, rupees 50 and 100 she received. So let 50 rupees note be x. Let 100 rupees notes be y. Okay. So she went to bank to withdraw rupees 2000 and asked the cashier to have 50 and 100 rupees notes only. So Meena got 25 notes in all. That means our first equation becomes x plus y is equals to 25. Okay. And total amount she withdraws, that is 2000. That means 50x plus of 100y is equals to 2000. I'm taking 50 as common. It will become x plus 2y is equals to 40. This will be your second equation. So what I'll do, x plus y is equals to 25, x plus 2y is equals to 40. Here coefficient of x in both the equation is same, that is 1. So I'll just change the sign. Positive will become negative, it will get cancelled out. Positive will become negative, positive will become negative. So plus y and minus 2y will become minus y and it will become minus 15. So I'm getting y as 15. So when I got y as 15, I'll substitute in equation 1. So from equation 1, x plus of 15 is equals to 25. X is equals to 25 minus of 15. I'm getting the answer as x is equals to 10. That means 50 rupees note is 10 and 100 rupees note is 15. Okay, so this is your answer. Hope this question is clear to you. Let's take another question. So students, let us see question number 5. A lending library has a fixed charge for first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, while Shushi paid for rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge thereafter. So here, let's take the fixed charge as rupees X, and let's take charge thereafter as rupees Y. Okay. So as we know, there are 7 days in a week. So in the question it says that for first 3 days it is a fixed charge. Okay. So Sarita paid for rupees 27 for a book she kept for 7 days. That means what? 3 days she will have fixed charge, and the charge thereafter will be applicable for 4 days. Okay. So our first equation becomes x plus of 4y is equals to 27. Okay. This is our first equation. Similarly, the other person paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. That means out of 5, 3 days fixed charge is applicable. Fixed charge is applicable, right? So for 3 days I will put x, and rest of the 2 days I will put 2y is equals to 21. I mark this equation as 2. I'll just solve it right now. So x plus 4y is equals to 27, x plus 2y is equals to 21. Okay, coefficient of both the equation is same. So I'll just change the sign. It will become 2y is equals to 6. Y is equals to 3. When y is 3, I'll substitute in equation 2. So putting in equation 2, it's your choice, you can put in any of the equation, right? So x plus of 2y, instead of y I'll put 3. X plus of 6 is equals to 21. X is equals to 21 minus 6. That means x is 15. Okay, so x is 15 rupees. That means fixed charge is 15 rupees and charge thereafter is rupees 3. Hope this question is clear to you. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Maths. Thank you.